Welcome back to the YHWH'S Gardener, and we're in Yahweh's garden. Doesn't this look beautiful? This is marjoram, and yes, it went crazy. The more we harvest from this plant, the more is coming. Here, I don't know how they got in here, but this is parsley, a very nutritious, like we will say is a weed, but is a good leaf to eat in salads and everything. I don't know what this is, but the birds are bringing gifts and planting them in here for me. I even had a tamarind tree started to grow in here, but I had to take it out. Yes, it would have damaged everything. So marjoram, a very expensive herb to get from the supermarket, is here growing by my window. Yep, that is some seeds. As you can see, some of them are budding. So when these start to dry up, I can plant some more. Isn't it wonderful how God always produce more than we ask for, and a way of always having enough to share and plant again for later. Yes, look at my draw tomatoes. My draw tomatoes. Ha ha ha. From 2 tomatoes, I have gotten many. Look, some is in here from the first time, but I did not show you. This was the first pot I put a tomato in, and you will have seen that video where I put the other tomato in this planter pot. So this one had 8, but I took out 3 and planted in this planter. This one I got 9 from the first tomato. This one I got about 12, but one there is not looking too good, but I'm trying. Another one here is just the stem, but I don't know if it's going to come back. Then I put 3 from the small pot in here. So this is one, and this one. Out of the second tomato, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then 3 from this. So about 15. So I'm going to have a lot of draw orange tomatoes. I can't be. Yum yum yum. So this is what I've been doing. Just tending my two planter pots. Feeling so good that I have the strength after being so sick, really sick this past 2 months. I'm still sick. Well, yeah, I'm always sick, but I was battling. I'm still battling, but I feel better. So I have been tending to this and breathing in the air when I come and look outside, seeing everything, all the food that is around growing so green, and just looking up in the sky and giving Yahweh the praise and the adoration, because in my little small area I am producing food. I'm doing something besides just lying down and being depressed or pitying myself. I'm getting up and doing something. So remember that you don't have to be depressed. You don't have to give up. Just find a hobby. Find your purpose. And you will feel the Lord's strength coming into you every day. Let's whisper a prayer, and the Lord will help you. He will. The Lord always wants to help us. So that is what I'm showing you today. I hope you will continue to watch my journey to see these tomatoes grow, and I will start showing a little series other than visiting other gardenings. I'm still doing that, but I want to show you sometimes some dishes that I have put some of my produce that I have grown in a meal. Yes. Would you like to see that? If you would like to see that, put it in the comments. And anything else that you would like to see me do on the channel. Until next time, keep planting.